So when you call Nordictrack, they're going to tell you to tap the screen a bunch of times. They're going to tell you to press that button on the back of the console, and a whole bunch of things that does not work. At least it has never worked for me, right? So I'm going to show you that what I've done that actually works. In order to do this, you will have to take the entire console off. So it's going to be a lot more work, but it's going to be a lot less frustrating than calling Nordictrack and then it doesn't work. So I already have the console off. This is the actual console here that I took off and brought home. And you want to be looking at the back here. So at the top of the console, this is the top of the console, there is this little switch right here. I'm going to use a little paper clip right here, and I'm also going to need a small Phillips screwdriver. So you will only need the Phillips screwdriver, but I'm going to use the paper clip for demonstration. So the paper clip is supposed to go in the back of the console, and it's supposed to go through a little hole that looks like this. And when you press the button, you should push the thing through the hole, and then it should hit the button. But as you can see, it's not hitting the button. It's not lined up properly. So that's absolutely a problem.